Curious to see what's going on here, because he does have family going on as he lands a nice uppercut on Aranda as
another one.
Aliyah Orozco gets a part of that sweat bath here.
Kumusta mga pre? Ito yung latest fight ni Filipino-American undefeated boxer na si Jacob MACALOLOOY na ginanap sa California nung nakaraang araw lang. Nakalaban niya dito ay isang Mexican undefeated din na si Juan Aranda. Sobrang ganda ng laban mga pre, bakbakan talaga. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban nila. Unang round pa lang, makikitang agresibo agad si Kabayan, habang tamang distansya at depensa lang ang ginawa ng Mexican.
Mac 11-0 with 5 KOs, Juan Aranda.
All right, look, and listen, he wanted to take a little bit of step up, taking a step here, not only, in opposition, but maybe we got a NABF junior or something like that coming to make some moves here, and this is the start of it, so it looks good.
So J-Mac had his camp down in San Diego, California. He said camp went great. How did you arrange that around school? Because he is a school teacher.
Correct.
Right? And he said, we're on break. It reminded me that it's summertime. So yeah, he spent the last 8 weeks down in San Diego getting prepared for this fight.
Nice body shot there from MACALOLOOY right on the rib cage of Chacal. There's another one.
Big MMA background. He's worked with several different disciplines, and he's sticking to boxing now, and it's been working out well for him. He's very at home in there. Run some feints in there, but J-Mac has just not been falling for them.
Nice typical J-Mac, main event Mac. Here we go. There's the combinations of the body. He loves going there. Up with another one right to the rib cage on the right side of MACALOLOOY. There's another one. You said that his coach said, hey, we wouldn't even come close to coming here and taking this fight if we couldn't hang with J-Mac.
Well, first of all, Aranda training in San Jose with Coach Martin Candy. A lot of sparring, great boxing down there. He said, Coach Martin, interview earlier, said, hey, we wouldn't be down.
I need to get down there and get some of that, because J-Mac looks in probably the best shape that I've seen him since I've been working with Elite Underdog. He looks good. His punches look good, but the switching back stances, are you a fan of that?
J-Mac got caught with a little shot that it didn't do the opponent. Sometimes it depends. There's a win, where, why, how, when you're doing switching stances. You don't want to overdo it. You want to try to stick to a game plan and maybe pick a side that works a little better for you depending on the style of the opponent.
And for those of you guys that don't know, J-Mac is...
Round 2, nakikipagsabayan natong Meksikano, pero napapaatras naman agad ito kapag tinatamaan ng solido ni Pinoy.
Choosing when to do it.
While J-Mac had him in the corner, he invites Aranda, decides otherwise. Turns him over. Is that what they call you? Get called? Turn him over.
Yeah, exactly. Just circle, used a little check hook, got out of there. J-Mac is kind of just doing whatever he wants.
Aranda very serious this last couple of days as J-Mac lands a shot that sends Aranda back, reeling a little bit.
He's got the range under control. Like the last couple of fights where we were seeing guys smother themselves or not able to.
Feels that Aranda can't really hurt him.
Oh yeah, he's trying to get him out of there. It's around the corner.
Yeah, Aranda now walking around with his mouth open, which is an indication of fatigue, and that's
bringing him down by touching that body.
Can't really done, and a lot of inactivity, but as he lands a right hand and tells J-Mac, all right, man. Oh, there's another one.
Caught him there.
There's another one. And when you do this to MACALOLOOY, it fires him up, though. It doesn't retreat. He says, okay, you're fighting now. Now I'm going to turn it up as Aranda nails him on the chin. J-Mac around the hotel, good dad. Person taking care of his kid. He's a good guy, man. I really like him. And like I said, good family man. And he's a different fighter. He's got charisma. I mean, I think he's deserved. He's already in the team as far as win,
He's ready for it. He's ready for an intercontinental something. In our pre-fight interview yesterday, J-Mac had mentioned that there's a lot of things going on as he was going to make that announcement after this fight at the post-fight.
Wow. I am too.
Yeah, I wasn't really quite sure. He gave me a funny look, and he said,
working the head. He still seems very comfortable. Aranda's kind of trying to pull every trick out of the bag
For
right
the game, you know, J-Mac should needs to continue to put this pressure on ARANDA, and I think as long as he can keep up the pressure, it's gonna, you know, it could be a
game. You know, he's showing heart, and best option, you know, is really kind of get behind more of a jab to straighten out J-Mac a little bit, not let him move back and forth so much. Yeah, 'cause, you know, just kind of swinging with the hooks. J-Mac sees most of them, and even when they land, they're not that effective. Yeah, and the fact that Aranda hasn't really been able to hurt J-Mac as the fight goes on.
Aranda lands like a swinging right hook on top of the head, but
He's just not able to have success. Even when he lands, he doesn't seem to discourage J-Mac enough.
tries to switch over and switches back and takes years to see what's going on here, because he does have family going on as he lands a nice uppercut on Aranda as
Oh, and another one.
Aliyah Orozco gets a part of that sweat bath here standing next to us. The fans waking up. I have a towel here, Aliyah. To just put if you put your notes up, it catches most of the DNA, but unfortunately for Aliyah, it lands right on her shoulder blade. Like, what's the significance there? Not even really looking at him up here. Like, is that what you? I mean,
we saw that in the earlier rounds, so I
yeah, but like, I mean, is that normally what you're doing? You're not really looking at the face. You're looking in the chest area. Like, what are you looking for when you're facing somebody like that? Right? Never breathing hard. It's always in good shape. Always in good shape.
Yeah,
I mean,
being so cool, calm, and composed, it's just that extra energy. He's not freaking out, you know, like Aranda's trying to get away from a lot of the punches, but J-Mac's right there, man, letting his hands go.
The hardest competition to date, so to speak.
Round 3, ganun pa din ang takbo ng laban. Agresibo pa din si Kabayan, pero nagdugo na dito ang kaliwang kilay ng Pinoy dahil sa headbutt.
He's really trying to put some hurt on Aranda.
And, you know, I'm like in the body head,
Ah.
right? I mean, he's really mixing it up. Oh, we got to cut
We
over
got a
the
cut.
eye
We do.
of J-Mac.
J-Mac is cut over the left eye.
There's pros and cons to that.
Well, I'm pretty confident that wasn't a headbutt. That came from an overhand right. And
Started attacking. I think J-Mac is I mean, you know when you get cut in there. You know
And he
the feeling.
continues.
You know the feeling, right? Like you know more or less, man. That hurt. He got cut. He has one of the best cut men in the corner, and I'm sure she'll fix that. But we'll see what happens here after this round. It's probably excited him more, to be honest with you.
Hey, I'll tell you, this
he's probably
round,
happy he got cut.
Yeah, this sixth round is getting physical. Mac was using that distance early in the first couple rounds, but I think we may see a different Aranda as he starts to close the gap.
Nice body shot.
He's safe in these last 2 rounds.
I don't think so. I really, honestly,
I
don't.
have him up 5. You know, 5
Yeah,
to 1.
Andrew, but he's in great shape. These punches that Aranda's landing, I mean, they're landing, but they're not really hurting him. I mean, he's can land a couple more shots at will. Oh, little okey doke there by Aranda. Was that one of your moves?
Good shot by J-Mac to the body there. I know what you're asking. That's not one of my moves.
Absolutely not. Has a Jalisco roll right there.
Kung umabot ka dito, paki-comment naman kung taga saan ka pre para ma-shoutout kita sa susunod nating video. Maraming salamat sa suporta.
A nice shot that Aranda was not expecting, and he lands the best punch of the night. And not a good look for Aranda coming here.
Behind his
Nice body shot. Oh, nice body shot. Actually, MACALOLOOY put his hands down there. That was probably the best body shot of the night. Last one I had, though. I'm pretty dead after this. It's going to be it. Pulling double duty here. Last round on one hand. And every show has had more than, maybe not average 1,500 patrons. And we're in a city of 2 million.
Yeah, Ralph, also keep in mind that this city is, you know, the Bay Area is hungry for boxing, so I think he's in the right spot.
Yeah.
Right, and if he can continue the momentum and just continue to put on these great shows.
J-Mac fires, and Aranda, typical Mexican. Shoulder blade, and on the lip. Oh, and the lip and mouth.
Aliyah's sitting ringside with us right now, and she's getting the sweat and the blood.
That's right. I go to the dry cleaners and I find red speckles on my stuff. As we see these two guys going at it, 1 minute left in the last round.
Trying to land that shot.
Well, with 40 seconds left, he's going to need a miracle.
Well, so just to wrap this up, I do see a minor title in MACALOLOOY's future. I will probably try to put in as he lands Aranda.
Umabot ang laban sa sukdulang 8 rounds, pero lamang pa din si Kabayan dahil sa mga patama at pagiging agresibo nito sa buong laban. Panalo si Jacob MACALOLOOY via unanimous decision at napanatili nito ang undefeated record.
From Union City, California, Jacob